Hello, everybody. For this assignment, you will be selecting one of these three quotes. These quotes come from Book 1, Chapter 6, which is the assignment due for Friday the 18th. Once you have read through these quotes and you have selected one that resonated with you, meaning it was an aha moment, you had a question about it, you agreed with it, you disagreed with it, you thought it spoke volumes about a character or could foreshadow something, whatever. You want to select one that you can talk about. Once you have obviously read the chapter, select one of these quotes, and in Friday the 18th assignment, you will see a discussion question section in Friday's assignment, as I said, and you will be discussing your thoughts to one of these quotes that you selected. Your thoughts, reactions. You want to make sure it is something of substance. You don't just want to simply say, I disagreed with it because, that's something that the party would do. You want to make sure that you go in depth and it's something of substance in your response. So you'll be responding to the discussion section based on whatever quote that you pick. You're not writing anything long or lengthy. You just want to make sure it's something of substance. And that's going to facilitate our discussion tomorrow, Friday the 18th, in class. Good luck, and I look forward to our discussion.